Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, worried, tense, restless, lonely, depressed, numb, angry, resentful, jealous, possessive, greedy, fearful, uncertain, or perhaps even joyful, loving, grateful. Here to remind you that you're not alone in those feelings, that millions, if not billions, of people can relate to your pain, to your emotions, to your thoughts, to the many insecurities that come with being a human. That being said, we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Trust in the unfolding of life. Trust in our capabilities. Trust in our breath. Getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. You can gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, becoming aware of how you feel in this moment, unlike any other moment thus far. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly. Relaxing your face, letting go of tension in the jaw, and the lips, and the forehead. Feeling your chest open. Hands and feet relaxed, becoming aware. Putting distractions to the side, letting go of past, letting go of future, coming into this present moment. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go. Breathing in trust. And exhaling, letting go of fear. Staying aware of your posture, extending your spine so that you can be upright, sitting in a strong yet relaxed way, with closed eyes looking inside, witnessing and welcoming yourself as you breathe in. Exhale, inhaling, exhale, breathing in compassion, exhale, letting go of resentment, bitterness, anger, simply letting it go. Coming back into love for yourself, despite all the mistakes, despite wrong things being said and done, having forgiveness. Full body breathing in. And full body exhale. Inhaling deeply. Exhale, releasing. Breathing in slower and softer. Exhaling even slower, even softer. Relaxing your forehead, feeling your jaw relaxed. Feeling the shoulders relaxed. Feeling your heart relaxed. As you drop down from the mind into the heart. Feeling the beauty that you already have. Just underneath all of the pain, becoming aware of the love that you already have. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Returning home to your mind. Returning home to your heart. Returning home to the present moment. Returning home to the sound. So happy to have you joining me today. Who's ever listening to this, sending you love across the way. Remember to have faith in your path, to appreciate the path that you're on, to have trust. Stay positive. Stay focused. And to have fun. To laugh more. To really laugh at yourself sometimes can be a great nourishment. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in joyfulness. Exhale, letting go of negativity. Feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. So you come back into the blessing of being alive. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhaling even slower, even softer. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of how you're sat, aware of what you're gonna do next. The color for today. Are you ready for it? The color for today is a rainbow. Okay, a rainbow of colors. That's the color for today. The animal is a calf, a baby cow. Very adorable animal. Very innocent. A reminder again to myself as I speak these words. Come back to innocence. As much as you can, let go of the knowledge that you've collected and come back to the innocence and the wonder of not knowing. To see how mysterious life is and to embrace the mystery. And the number for today is 29. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space, sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love for yourself, for the anxieties, for the insecurities that really bring their own gifts, their own teachings. So instead of pushing away the unpleasant thoughts and emotions, welcome them. Ask them, what is your message for me, and how can I alchemize you into a more pleasant state of mind, a more pleasant state of emotions, by actually being with that which is unpleasant, being with it in a loving way, and bringing more understanding to these thoughts, to these emotions that cause such pain, and seeing that we have the power to transform them, to alchemize them. I know that it's not easy, and I myself struggle with unpleasant thoughts and emotions every day. Every single day. But it's a practice to be with it, to learn from it, and to transform into more and more love and trust. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.